have something super exciting coming tomorrow. I'm booking my first surf lesson, which is something I've been wanting to do for a really long time. Ever since we did like a really random surf lesson in Bali when we went in like, I think it was 2017, right? We went to Bali? Yeah.
It wasn't even a surf lesson, it was just surfing.
Yeah, right, we just got the surfboard and then it was like, there you go, you can figure it out.
No.
I went out and bought a new one piece because all the bikinis I have are mainly for tanning and I don't need to worry about anything coming off while I'm trying to learn how to surf. So I got this really cute one from, where did I go? I think Surf, Dive and Ski or something like that. It's from Roxy, the brand. It's really cute. It's got like a tie up in the back. So I'm gonna go wash this so I'm ready for tomorrow morning. I still have to book my lesson, but it seems like there's still a lot of spaces left. So yeah, so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit, rinse it, and then hang it out to dry. Okay, I've just washed it. It is now hanging. I hope it dries by my lesson tomorrow, and I need to go book that. It's booked.
What time? 9:30.
Yep, 9:30. Good morning, it's the next day and I'm getting ready for my surf lesson. So excited. Got the bathing suit on. I'm so glad it dried. It was a little bit wet still this morning, but thankfully the sun came out and we were able to dry it outside, so it's all good. First lesson, it was so much fun. Wiped a few times. Well, I wiped more times than I caught a wave, but like it's exhilarating when you catch a wave and you're like ah, and then you got to make the journey all the way back out to try again. But oh, so much fun. I can understand why people really get into this sport. So yeah, I'm trying to convince him to come with me next time. And can't wait for my next lesson. But I got a shower, and then we're gonna get lunch. Starving. I'm so glad I had breakfast this morning, otherwise that would not have gone well. This morning I am so sore. I think everything hurts. So my core hurts. I got a bruise on my hip when the surfboard hit into it. I have loads of bruises on my legs. I hit the sand a few times being silly and jumping off. So all those bruises, but man, it was worth it. That was great. And I'm still convincing Faraday to come out with me next time so that we can enjoy it together. Who knows if he'll actually join me, but good fun. Well, I managed to convince him. We're going tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna start tomorrow. I don't think we'll be able to get any footage though. Okay, well, we'll figure it out, but yay, he's going with me. We're gonna learn together. Bonding. Yeah. Okay, gotta book the tickets now. That's all booked. Yay! Well, we're here early this time, and are you excited for your lesson? Why? it.
Alright?
Honey, okay?
Yeah.
Will you go again?
Maybe.
Or do you just want to run boards out and try again?
It's probably better.
I had a blast. The waves were more difficult. Wow. My hair is doing crazy things. Okay, whatever. The waves were more difficult this time. So we just went out for a walk after lunch, well, slash breakfast, and we saw whales. And it was so much better this time because we actually got to see like the tail of the baby. So I think I got some footage of the whales just briefly, but I wasn't able to go over the ocean the first time, and by the time I figured it out, I think the whales were gone. But oh, it was so much fun. Oh my gosh. That's so close. Oh my gosh, look. Don't mind that, that's just the dishwasher. While we were out, our package came, so now we can put this one in there, and that should work as part of our office space.
Where do you want it?
I guess here, right? Okay, so we got a desk for the room. We still have a clock. He's always got to check it out, whatever we do. We still have a chair coming and a monitor, and then maybe we'll put a rug down so the chair doesn't roll around too much. But yeah, that's pretty much the setup for now. Good morning. I went to the farmer's market this morning because we ran out of honey, and the best honey we've found so far is at the farmer's market. It's really, really nice. It's like bush flower honey, and it comes in a little squeezy bottle that's like really nice. I also bought this cookie. It is vegan. It's Oreos and cream, I think, so I wanted to dunk it in my tea. It's really good. I felt for something sweet this morning, and this is good. It's quite a big cookie, so I think I'll just have a little bit and then give it the rest to Verdi. Your turn to try the cookie. Good, it's soft in the middle. He was like, do you want soft or do you want crunchy? And I was like, soft please. Oh, so I've actually been really bad at documenting and just filming what's been happening. I promise I'll get better. But basically it's now the next day since we had our first surfing lesson with Verdi. So I filmed a little bit right after the session, but to recap, how did you find it?
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
I thought it was good. Honestly, if you had come on the Wednesday, I think you would have found it much more fun, because then you would have been able to ride more waves and actually get more practice in. But you did pretty good considering. On Wednesday, the instructors were saying that the conditions were perfect for beginners. Like there was a lot of, so when you're a beginner, you start like surfing in the whitewash. So you just wait after the wave breaks and then you just ride that rush of water in. I think it's just to get you comfortable standing on the board and like popping up and things before they teach you the next side of actually riding the wave. Probably.
That's
I don't
right.
know. But on Wednesday's lesson, there was a lot of waves that were breaking, and it was really easy, actually, really easy, really nice, really fun, because there was just a lot of waves and you would walk out and then like almost 2 seconds later you could ride a wave in. It was really nice. Yesterday's, however, it was low tide with more wind, so the waves weren't breaking and you were just getting sort of pulled out, and then by the time the wave came, you were like the wave, like the water had gone right down to my knees. And it was like a little bit more difficult to try to grab those waves, but we did good. We actually brought the GoPro out, but it was really hard to be trying to surf, film each other, and like, yeah, it was just much more difficult. So I ended up catching like a few clips before we gave up and gave the GoPro to the instructor. He tried to catch a few clips, but it was just, yeah, a little bit tricky. We ended up surfing one wave together and we collided. And all I saw from my side was like him, I think you said something like, you said something, and then I looked behind me and he was like coming into me, so I jumped off onto my left and he like, his board like overlapped with mine. And then we did a party wave where you were still leaning down and then you moved my surfboard out of the way. That was funny. And the instructor saw and he laughed, and then he tried to catch it on film, but he was too late, but it was pretty funny. So now that we've started and we're kind of getting the hang of it, we're thinking we're just gonna go down and rent a couple of surfboards just to like really get the hang of it. Hopefully in the next couple of months we can really pick it up, and we do want to get our own wetsuits just because it's easier and like more convenient to have our own. And then yeah, and we should be getting a car soon, fingers crossed, so then we can also get surfboards if we want. I actually completely forgot, we got more deliveries for the office space, so don't mind the mess, we're still sorting things out. We got the monitor and a chair, which we will unpack in a minute, and then yeah, I got some videos to edit today. We're still planning looking at the car on Monday and getting advice on what we need to do to get the car. It is a little bit trickier, but I'll go into details on that in another video.
He doesn't want to be filmed.
Nemo.
What?
One thing I did forget to mention is I sustained a few injuries, and so did Ferdy. So last time I talked about it, but I dinged my knee. I just fell on the sandbank and it's not as soft as you would think, and it opened up again. I think another one, I got a couple of bruises down my leg, big ones there, and then again I dinged my knee. I also hurt my foot, so I landed sort of awkwardly because a wave pushed me in, and my toes curled as I hit the sand, so that one hurts a little bit. Verity got it on his elbow, I believe. So again, he hit the sand a little hard and just got a little bit of like, it's like carpet burn basically. What else? I had the board hit me in my side a few times. So note to self, if you're not good at surfing and you don't pay attention to 1, where the waves are, 2, where your board is, and 3, where you are, you're gonna get hit. So I actually had the board on my left, and I was standing facing Verity because he was surfing and I tried to film him. Wave came in, board's here, I'm here, waves are coming this way, slammed straight into me. That one hurt. And that happened 3 times before I think the instructor saw, and he was just like, yeah, let me hold the camera for you. Okay, should we plug her in? You sure?
Nemo, get up there. Screen.
He was walking on the screen? Nemo! Yeah, you better run. Be very gentle. It's okay. It's quite high actually. I can't even reach the ground.
Okay.
Whee! The office space is mostly done. I think we'll probably need to get a carpet in here just to reduce the amount of sound that the rollers on the bottom make, just to be good neighbors because we have a downstairs person as well. I think you guys can can tell where I edit my videos, it's always pretty much in this same spot. But I'm just jumping on here to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more surfing videos. We will be putting out more surfing content. Fingers crossed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And the rest pretty much look like this.